Hey everyone, Adam here, and we're going to take a closer look at the Altura Photo Professional Video Light Kit for your DSLR or mirrorless camera. This is a dimmable 160 LED light panel that's the perfect solution for your portable lighting needs. What I really like is that Altura Photo provides you with a zippered hard-shelled carrying case. Now this is going to carry and store all the necessary tools to help you improve your lighting for your photo or video. And when you first open it up, you're going to notice that you get the instruction manual. Now the instruction manual is going to give you all the necessary details to get you started and set up with your LED light source. Since this is a continuous light source, it's compatible with any type of camera. It's compatible with a video camera, a point-and-shoot camera, your DSLR or mirrorless camera, even your smartphone, because this light can be used either on or off camera, and it comes with all the necessary tools to do so. So in the hardshell case, you're going to find your LED light panel. And when you look underneath the panel, you're going to find the female 1/4-20 mounting thread. This is what's going to allow you to mount it on a monopod, a light stand, your tripod, anything with a standard 1/4-20 thread mount. But what I really like is that Altura Photo included a ball head style camera mount with the cold shoe on the bottom. This is, as you see, what allows you to attach your LED light to your DSLR or mirrorless camera, or anything with a cold shoe or hot shoe mount. But you can also detach the cold shoe on the bottom, and this gives you the 1/4-20 thread mount, allowing you to mount the light source off camera and being able to vary the angle of the light when you need it. In addition, you're going to get a Sony NP-F style battery. This is the NP-F550 style battery, which you get about 2.5 hours of runtime at full power. You get a compatible battery charger with your LED light kit. And to be able to check your battery power, you can simply push the power button on the back of the LED light. It's going to give you 4 stages of power indication, so you can quickly and easily check the life of your battery when you need to. In addition, you're going to get 2 filters with your LED light panel. The first filter is going to be your soft frosted panel. This is going to attach really easy to your LED light. It's going to snap into place, and it's going to be held with a magnet. Now this is going to soften the light. It spreads the light source out, so you reduce the shadows. You're also going to get an orange color tungsten conversion filter. This is going to convert the daylight balanced LEDs to tungsten, which is 3200 degrees Kelvin when needed. Now if you're looking to increase or decrease the intensity of the LED light, it has 8 steps that you can control the intensity. So you simply push or hold the minus or plus button to do so. This lighting kit may be compact, but it delivers quite a bit of light. And it's a great size to keep with you in your camera bag for whenever you need it. Now this light delivers a beautiful, soft, even light that's great for shooting portraits, for shooting macro photography, product photography. It's great for event photography and all types of video applications. So if you're looking for a lighting solution that comes with everything you need, make sure to check out the Altura Photo 160 LED video light.